Most men spend their lives chasing women, and that's exactly why women never respect them. The truth? The moment she knows she fully has you, she loses interest. That's why so many guys get ghosted, ignored, and disrespected. But what if I told you there's a psychological switch so powerful? It flips the entire game and makes her chase you, non-stop without even knowing why. This isn't some trick. This is raw psychology. And once you understand it, you'll never look desperate again. 1. Scarcity and mystery. The human mind values what's rare. If she feels she doesn't fully own you, her attraction skyrockets. Think about luxury brands. They don't beg you to buy. They make you wait. They limit access. That's exactly how a high-value man operates. But most men, they flood her with attention and kill the mystery. That's why she pulls away. 2. Pull back at the peak. Here's where most guys fail. When she gives them attention, they give back even more. She texts you all night, they reply instantly to every message. They smother her, and then she vanishes. The move? When she's giving you energy, don't match it 100%. Pull back just enough. That pause burns her mind with curiosity. She starts thinking about you more, and that's when she begins chasing. 3. Self-improvement as leverage. Nothing makes a woman chase harder than the fear of losing a man who's leveling up. Ask yourself, is she chasing the guy wasting nights on games, or the man building his body, money, and future? Women don't chase comfort, they chase greatness. They chase the man they feel might slip away into success without them. That's why every rep in the gym, every skill you learn, every dollar you stack, isn't just for you. It's leverage. It makes her chase harder. 4. Emotional control. This is where the weak get exposed. She tests you. She gives attitude. She stirs drama. Weak men argue back. They get emotional, and that kills attraction instantly. But strong men, they stay calm, unshaken, they smile. And that calm power makes her crave his approval even more. When you don't react, she feels your strength. And it drives her crazy, in the best way. Attraction isn't about begging, it's about becoming the prize. Remember this, mystery creates desire. Availability kills it. Play the game right, and women won't just notice you, they'll fight for your attention.